Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. This is where we give you logical solutions to your concerns. In today's video, we will be showing you how to reset the password of your Twitter account if you forget it. First of all, go into your web browser and type in twitter.com in the address bar and press enter. Once you're inside the Twitter website, you will see a Forgot Password button under the password box. Click on it and you will be asked to search your Twitter account. Enter your email address or your phone number, then click on the search button. Now you will be asked to select a method of recovery. You can select your phone number or your email address depending on your choice. Click on the next button after selecting your desired method. Now you will be asked to enter a verification code. You can find this code in your email address or your phone number based on your selected method. When you find the code, go ahead and enter this code in the Twitter page and click on Verify. Now you will be allowed to enter a new password for your account. After entering a new password, enter it once again to verify. Then click on Reset Password. You will also be asked, why did you change your password? You can select any reason and click on the Submit button. Now click on Continue to Twitter, and you will be logged in to your Twitter account once again. So that's how you regain access into your Twitter account even after forgetting your password. We hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.